My name is Karen. Welcome to Petite Crown. We're going to demonstrate the pad fold for you today. The pad fold is considered one of the easier folds to do for a flat diaper, mainly because it doesn't involve any fasteners or pins. It can also be used in a pocket diaper for lots of extra absorbency. To do the pad fold, we will first take our flat diaper and fold it in half one way, and then fold it in half again to make a square. Then once you have your square, you will fold it into thirds. Once you have the pad fold, you can lay it in a cover, either the catcher or the keeper, right in the middle of the diaper, in between the leg gussets, and just make sure the back of the pad fold is inside the elastics on the back of the diaper. And then you would place baby here and snap over baby.